Creating a DIY baby. First aid kit is an essential step for every parent. It ensures you're prepared for those unexpected moments. Here's a simple guide to help you assemble a comprehensive kit. Start with a sturdy, portable container to store all your supplies. A clear plastic box with compartments works well, allowing you to see everything at a glance. Next, gather the basics. Adhesive bandages in various sizes, sterile gauze pads, and adhesive tape. These are crucial for treating minor cuts and scrapes. Include a digital thermometer to monitor your baby's temperature accurately. It's a must-have for any first aid kit. Add a pair of blunt-tip scissors and tweezers. Scissors are useful for cutting gauze or tape, while tweezers can help remove splinters or debris. Don't forget antiseptic wipes or solution to clean wounds and prevent infection. These are vital for maintaining hygiene and promoting healing. Include an infant-safe pain reliever, like Acetaminophen or ibuprofen, for reducing fever or discomfort. Always consult your pediatrician before administering any medication. Consider adding a nasal aspirator to clear your baby's nasal passages, especially during colds. It's a small tool that can provide significant relief. A small flashlight is also handy for checking your baby's eyes, ears, or throat in low-light conditions. Label everything clearly and keep a first aid manual or guide in the kit. This can be invaluable in an emergency, offering step-by-step instructions. Finally, remember to check your kit regularly, replacing expired items and restocking as needed. Being prepared with a DIY baby first aid kit gives you peace of mind and ensures you're ready to handle minor emergencies with confidence.